molecular basis of inheritance. Yes, DNA and RNA are the two types of nucleic acids found in living systems. DNA and RNA are the two types of nucleic acids found in living systems. DNA acts as genetic material in most of the organisms. RNA, though it acts as a genetic material in some viruses, mostly it functions as messenger RNA and also has some additional roles. That is, it acts as a adapter molecule, structural, and in some cases catalytic molecule. DNA acts as genetic material and it is storehouse of genetic information. Storehouse of genetic information. But when it comes to RNA, it acts as messenger. It acts as messenger and transforms acts as messenger, adapter, structural, and also catalytic molecule, and also acts as catalytic molecule. And RNA mainly involves in the transfer of genetic information. It involves in transfer of genetic information. Transfer of genetic information. Yeah, when it comes to this chapter, and we are going to discuss about DNA structure, replication, transcription, translation, and elementary basis of the regulation. Yeah, in this chapter we are going to discuss the topics to be covered in this chapter are the structure of DNA, DNA replication, next transcription, that is making of RNA from DNA, making of RNA from DNA. This is simply, we can call it as transcription or synthesis of RNA from the double stranded DNA, that means single stranded RNA. Next, genetic code, translation or protein synthesis, process or translation, translation and elementary basis of their regulation and elementary idea of gene regulation. Elementary idea of gene regulation. To determine the complete nucleotide sequence of human genome during last decade has set off new era of genomics. In the last section, the essentials of human genome sequencing and its consequences will also be discussed. Next, when it comes to that is the structure of DNA and further topics, replication and all. Before that, let us begin our discussion by understanding the structure of DNA, the most interesting molecule in the living system. The DNA in the subsequent sections we will understand that why it is most abundant genetic material and what is the relationship with DNA.